I've got some vegetable peelings and cuttings from a friend, a neighbour, and I'm just going to go up and feed the chickens, and I'm going to give some of it to the worms. So here's the chickens. Man, they're drinking, but it's really, really hot, so you can understand that. Got some broody. They're sitting on dud eggs because we have no cockerel, so nothing will happen. But there we go. So this is their home. Just get some vegetables out for them. They like their greens. I gave them a load this morning, so I won't give them too much more. I'll go and feed the worms now. Let's go and see how the worms are doing. I'll give them a water tonight. Runner beans. The worms. Have we got much in here? Oh yeah, they're all worming around. They're rather happy, which is good. They look moist, but not too moist. It really is a learning curve for me. So I've seen people on YouTube that they blend all this up, but I kind of think, well, this is stuff's going to rot down, and I'm not after a super growth of worms. I just want enough. So we'll see how that goes. But if I lift that up a little bit, there they are, all in there having fun. That's my update for today. Well, at the moment, it's a record high today in London, 37, end of July 2019. Speak to you later.